Okay, what's going on, guys? We're doing a repairability attempt. I'm also going to be pulling a shingle and sending it out to ITEL to see whether the shingle is discontinued or if there's a match, and I'll just come back out here and do a comparison video as well. But for now, I'll just do a repairability attempt. The shingle we're going to be using is just a random shingle I had laying around, because when I do the comparison video, I'll just swap it out. I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible not to damage the shingles around, or try not to cause any creasing. As you can see, the shingles really brittled. So I'm gonna try to be as careful as possible. Let's break the tar strip. You can see that it's really glued down. You can see that I caused damage, meaning I might cause damage right here trying to take this tar strip away. So let me be more careful. As you can see, damage, more damage, trying to break the tar strip away. Okay, so now let's do the same above, because I'm going to be sending the ITEL out on this shingle right here. Okay, try to be careful. But you can see damage right, damaged. You can see that I'm not really being aggressive with it. Well, I sort of have to be aggressive to obviously take the tar strip away, but I'm not really putting force into it. You can see that. Okay. You can see that caused damage. Oh, that's really stuck. It's like if they put tar on it. Okay, let's. You can see I caused damage above. You just tell right away that this is not repairable at all. So what I'm doing as well is I'm taking off the nails to obviously be able to take this out. But you can just see the damage I'm causing. This does not look pretty at all. Let's pull this out. That's the shingle we're going to be sending out to ITEL. As you can see, I caused damage. Looks horrible. Let's take out all the nails to be able to slip the shingle I have in and to be able to nail it down. Keep in mind, I also had to take this one apart as well to be able to nail this down. Let's take this one apart. You can see I caused damage right here as well, meaning that this is not repairable because it causes a domino effect. I'm just gonna keep damaging the shingles no matter what. You can see the creases I caused as well, lifting this up. Okay, that should be all the nails. Let's put this back in. There you go. Let's put on the keyway. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be nailing it down 6 to 7 nails. hopefully it's still recording. But let's put 67 nails. I'm obviously lifting this up to be able to nail this down, and doing this I cause creasing right here and right here as well. More creases right here, as you can see. I didn't bring my phone, so I'm not able to take photos right now, but you can see clearly, hopefully, on the GoPro that there's creasing as well as the damage I caused. Let's just put 3 more nails. Okay, as you can see, I caused damage. I also have to nail right here as well, because as you can see, there's no nails, and to do a proper repair you have to nail above as well. So before I lift this up, I know I'm gonna cause creasing even more, so I'm gonna further cause damage on the shingle above. As you can see, I'm lifting this up, letting it down. As you can see, crease, a huge crease. It's pretty visible. Doing the same right here, more creasing, more creasing. Ooh, almost fell. That's more creasing right here, as you can see. As well as right here, slight crease right there. Let's put 1 more nail. As you can see, I lifted this up as well to nail this down just quite a bit, and I caused creasing. You can see that this roof is not repairable at all. I caused damage, meaning when water comes down, obviously it's gonna leak. It's creasing, as well as the shingles floppy. With the wind, it'll for sure just fly off, meaning it's not repairable at all. It needs a whole new roof, and I'll just come back as well as do a comparison video as well.